Are you going to continue to kill your margins? At some point, the crazy amount of capital is going to slow down and you're going to be forced to be a lot more capital efficient. But in the meantime, you are like literally lighting bundles, pallets of currency on fire every time you go to these events, at least 80% of the time. The loss factor on poorly matched, bad due diligence events is just insanely off the charts. And it sets you up to fail. It sets your team up to fail because there is a 97% chance that you're not being able to educate and build trust. And there's at least a 90% chance that no one on your team is going to get a chance to educate and build trust. And even if everything lines up perfectly, those are not really good odds. You can pretty much guarantee that you're going to educate and build trust like 90, 95, 98% by flipping this on its head and starving away at least the bottom 20% of the national and global events, and start investing aggressively in building your own micro events that educate and build trust with the right people in the right places at the right time, and most of all in the right context.